Good evening, student friends. Today, I thought of answering your long pending questions. Hopefully, I could be able to satisfy your questions. Here, as you know, because of the pandemic, COVID, the exams of June 2020 has not been conducted. So it has got the repercussion for all the examinations, the fourth, sixth, and second semester examination. And this is with regard to the 3 years LLB course, parallelly with regard to the 5 years LLB course. Recently, as you know, the exams has been conducted for the 10th semester 5 years LLB and 6th semester 3 years LLB course. Here, what was the prime aspect of the university is that to conduct the examination for the final semester students so that they can complete their course, they can get through their LLB examination. Yeah, they can ease it out to venture into the profession. So that is the prime most the concern of the university. Now, as you have highlighted so many questions, now I can see the Madam Namrata Patil's question, Kashitri, Kumaresh Kumar, and I am happy to see that there are so many questions has been raised by the Prem Balaji and Jinendra Kagwad. Like so many students, they have asked the questions, but here all the questions are of the only certain aspects. That is, you are all asking about the questions whether is there any examination in February 2021. Here already the notification has been given. Namrata Patil, here there is no the hesitation. Here academic calendar has been released by the Karnataka State Law University, and there will not be any what we call backstep with regard to the changes in the what we call the academic calendar. Only certain modification may be done, but here with regard to the academic calendar, the university it will go in accordance with the academic calendar in with regard to the noticing the difficulties of the student, and very shortly the examination notification will be given here. And certain students they were asking about the golden chance. Really, it is a golden chance only, and here already it has been notified that in February 2021 the exams will be conducted for the students who have completed the course and who have lost the eligibility. For them, the golden chance has been given. For those students, in February, the university is going to conduct the examination. It is the university notification. We cannot doubt the university notification. Very shortly, the university will release the notification with regard to the examination which is going to be conducted in the February month. That is with regard to the even semester examination. So here there is no doubt. And with regard to the other odd semester examination, it will be from 8th March to up to it will go up to 20th April, so that they could be able to complete all the what you call the examinations. And it may be the chance may be given. It may be the chances will be there for the students who have written recently the examination, that is a 10th semester for 5 years LLB students as well as the 3 years LLB 6th semester students. So that means they can write backlogs also. So it is normally we can think that is backlogs will be allowed. So that here the university's prime concern and any educational institutions what you call the university's concern, it should be for the student welfare only. Here there will be some delay will be there, but we cannot doubt the what you call with regard to the examination and all these things. But here what I request you students, you make the preparations. Don't worry about the examination. Examination, it is going to be conducted at any cost. Here it will not be postponed. Because why now? Why? Because now now we are in the very secured position that we got all the the medicine for the COVID, and the government has lifted any sort of impediment, and here does not cause any disturbance to us. But our first concern is to get ready for the exams, crack the exams, and here channel wants to see you come with the budding colors. So here what I hope I have cleared you the doubts. Here in February month the exams will be going to be conducted, and with regard to the even semester examination, and in the month of March for odd semester examination it will be conducted, and it will be with regard to the 3 years as well as the 5 years LLB course. Here there is no doubt with regard to these things, and with regard to the golden chance opportunity also, it is also the university is going to give the chance, because it has already been notified, it has been approved, it has been signed by the highest authorities of the university, and here could not able to doubt with regard to those notification and all those things. And one more thing I wanted to tell you, that with regard to the KSLU website, they have constructed the recent website. Earlier there was some other website was there. Here the recent website they have constructed. Now we have to look into the recent website. I will make a separate video with regard to that KSLU recent website. And here with regard to the now almost all the 10th semester 5 years LLB course and 3 years 6th semester LLB course results have already been announced. Please check your results. It has been released in online also, and you can verify the same. Very shortly you are going to get the examination notification. Don't wait for the examination notification, because here there is a very shortage of time. We have to understand the difficulty of the university also. Here the university has to conduct the examination for all semesters except the 6th and the 10th semester, and it is the primemost concern. And with regard to those students also, for the persons who have not get through, for them also the university has to conduct the examination. And there is a big problem for university is that the valuation and the declaration of results and all those things will be there. So here what we have to do, we have to do our duty. That means as in Bhagavad Gita, what Lord Krishna says, Karmane Vadikarasya. That means we have to do our duty. Do your duty. This channel is for you. This channel is to benefit the law students, and it is this channel is to benefit the students concerned your difficulties. Here our channel is also growing. Here we are posing the question papers, most likely questions, and in future we can give the answers also here. And even you can see the question papers, you can get the most likely questions. You can be able to know which are all the important questions, what is the expectation of the university, how you can answer the questions. So that should be the prime most concern of you, and you should be you should have to work hard on it. And now you have got sufficient time. Be serious in your studies, and here very shortly we are going to give the most likely questions. If possible, answers also we are going to give for the certain the papers. Get ready for the examination. This is the very encouraging thing for you. It is a very good opportunity. Now invariably the examination will be completed from 8th February 2021 to 20th April 2021 for even as well as the odd semester examination. Don't worry about the examination. Examination will be going to be conducted for all the students. Here now it has been delayed. Don't worry about there will not be some more delay will not be caused. So this is with regard to the certain instructions I wanted to give you. And if you have got any doubts, you can raise the doubts. I will clarify, and I will make one more video with regard to the KSLU, the new website, with regard to its address, with regard to the login aspects, with regard to the features of the KSLU website. Thank you, friends.